Asubananda kere no da dilo kito silo aneo Bukedea no dengar ni aja kai Sulaimani kato se bue dilo kikedas oita samo deke lo de bue atiki naka FDC Kanuka icholongolo LC5 obudo tupak kede taichikas okuye bukalin lo de bue kape obonipe o solida miracle aflaga berna ko NRM around naunie aligada no kiyem to kesita cha utosebe kaneo electoral commission epetai candidates wongon nara buak wongon kesida downitos aijuko na kachapa pola Kanuka ibuo amare cholongolo LC5 David Steven Omagoro ngeside dope railo da jai tomada oli Kanuka Ewadikaunos parana lolo nye Ewadikaunos ngesida lolo abue ilauni tunguni.
I, Sulaiman Kato, declare that Oita Sam Odeke is a duly nominated candidate to contest for election as district chairperson Bukedea district.
Bukedea kwadi kionitor Oita Sam be koto kwa na etungalwa FDC. Ezide balo etabe ngesi bone perorete kwa na lakuno Bukedea.
We are having a problem in Bukedea, of which we are making Bukedea a church whereby one person speaks, others will say amen. The only candidate among the other 4 candidates who can unify Bukedea. Bukedea needs a unifying factor. So we need a new product for Bukedea. We need a new move for Bukedea. Bukedea na ikoto wani.
Ido taichika so kwe bukalin. Rabalo sekajo kaslolo Bukedea. Ngeside balabe Bukedea neside kote tunale kupup.
We've just started a new journey for Bukedea. I'm a candidate for the by-election in the district, for the district chairperson seat, and we've been going through a long process. But I want to believe that having been nominated today to go seriously on the ground and mobilize for votes, I believe the votes are ours for only 3 reasons. 1, I'm the only neutral candidate in this race. Every candidate is either belonging to one camp or the other. The third issue is we want to bring back sanity to Bukedea. We are saying, like myself, I'm an NRM member, but the methods and the processes through which the party handed over the flag have been so fishy.
Amendera ngin mamera naka. Amendera erani tungalo NRM party kere. Are obona itinta ngarenit. Konya amendera erani tungalo NRM leminas NRM kere. Ido oponi ko para amendera ngin okumuro paran itete tungakere. Dodo ngina bila bede Museveni ko pa ina amendera. Mam Museveni aja ibero kuwoda. Iko mamela ke somna ko pa na amendera. E upongo kadikatu ngakere. Upongo kedeka kanso kere. Asi pu programs ni na panapata kere ejeila butonda. Nui karekai. Ngatema nyokwa na ebuni chetu na bebele programs ni ajaya ngonale majai ocholo mereke salongu ni programs ni somata so
konya kota ngalimu nebe arera Bukedea yao na napa kilo cha Bukedea no na sero itakope ekandi lelo mto FDC LC5 doda akamune balebe arepe do eta runa chama na LC5 lo Bukedea district amitenge perai morkina jauna Bukedea.
However, we are also aware that there are some people who have been nominated without tax clearance, and these are issues we have instructed our legal team from Kampala to come immediately, and we start working on this.
David Wright oppose TV East kwa Bukedea.